Alright, so sorry about the wind. It's a little windy here today, but I was going to show you a camera install. I've got my Cat 6 pulled. I'm quite a ways in the air on a articulating lift. Here's our Cat 6. I'm gonna get the camera screwed on and then hook up a device so that we can point and shoot it, connect the cable, and we won't have to come back up to readjust. Love these little lifts. I'm not scared at all. See, I'm shaking the piss out of it. Don't bother me any. Alright, so I got the one screw in it so that I could spin it out of the way when I get the cables connected back up, stuff it in the hole. But this allows us to get it aimed and pointed where we want it. About like that right there. I've got a patch cable plugged into it, and we are using our nifty little device here. So let's turn it on, and what we're going to do is we're going to give it PoE power for this camera. Green light, it's on already. So the camera will back out of here, go to this next screen. I like doing the IP discovery first. That just lets me know if the camera's booted up yet or not. So we'll run that IP discovery and let it get its connection to this device. Like, again, I'm sorry about the wind. I'm in Houston and it just seems like it's always windy here. There we go. It has found the camera. It gives it its own IP address. No big deal. It's not going to stay that same IP. It's just for this tester I have here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this on if right here. On VIF. And that should boot up and turn on our camera so we can see our image on where it's pointed. There it is. A real quick, easy way of setting up these cameras. Get them pointed where you want them. That way you ain't got to go up and down. Like I said, I'm on this big old lift, about 30 feet in the air. So now we can see what we're looking at. Make sure we're pointed in the right direction. Make some adjustments. Looks like I got a little tilt here. Spin that a little bit more. See how we're looking? Yeah, that's much better. We're not tilted so bad. I think I got it pointed pretty good here. Catching straight ahead, and then this corner over here, and I'm going to add another camera right over here to point out that direction. So we're already seeing from here straight ahead, but not to the right of that, basically. So that other camera will catch this area, and then that way we've got this whole lot filled, covered. Another thing, if you can see that lens, it can see you. So always kind of remember that. So that kind of helps on knowing how you're pointed also. I'll get this end made up on here, get it connected up, tuck it inside the hole there, hide it, inside the building. It'll be waterproof that way, and I'll come back to you when I got it all buttoned back up. Got the camera connected, wires connected, tucked inside the wall. Nice clean insulation here. And we know we got it pointed the right direction, so we do not have to come back to this camera. Hey guys, I'm inside at the rack. We are 306 feet on that line. We're inside, so I thought I'd show you a clearer picture so you could see the view. It's quite clear. Not fuzzy at all. This is not sure how to say that, AIVO networks, and it does a lot more things than just the cameras. Let me back out so you guys can see. That's IP camera test. That's all the apps that comes with it. We got the CVBS and the HD cameras, a cable tester, media players, tools. So we do cable tester. We can do this thing comes with a toner, so you can hook up the cable to it, run your toner down it. An RJ45 tester. And it allows us to test our run. Right now we got it hooked up to a camera, so it's gonna come back as shorts and stuff, but it'll run a test on that. I don't know why it won't. There we go. Focus there. We can run a test on our cable here. It'll tell us length in meters. So we're at 97, 93 meters there in our decibels on our attenuation. So yeah, it's a really nice little gadget here. I love this thing. So many applications that we can use. So tools, data monitor, it's got a flashlight, calculator. You know, it does quite a bit. As you can see. We've got some ports here on the side, SD card. There's an HD out. That's the charging port right there for charging. This is rechargeable, and then we got some more on this side. There's our flashlight right there if we want to use our flashlight. There's our coax connections, HDN. There's some 12 volt probably, if we need to hook up some 12 volts. So yeah, this thing is really nice. I really love it. All right, let's go through this process again for the other camera. It's going to point out this way. PoE, let's turn it on. All right, that's getting power to it now. I didn't bring my tripod. I forgot it. So this is a little bit difficult. All right, so we're gonna pull Here's our camera. And as you can see, there's that center line that our other camera's at. And we're catching all of that side of the lot. So the two cameras are going to pretty much cover this whole lot out here. We're using these GeoVisions. It's an inexpensive camera, about $100, 4 megapixel. Sometimes you can find them on sale for about 80. And I've probably got 100, 150 of these things. So they're pretty good cameras. Actually, one was bad out of the box. The other one, after a couple of months of some good rain, it ended up leaking. It wasn't 100% waterproof. I like the cameras. They work out real good. I got a few hike visions, but mostly because we like using the microphone on the hike visions. Other than that, I use these. I hope you enjoyed the scenery, and please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you.